Welcome to Monday Morning with Maria. I'm Maria Lexinger, the Joyful Career Strategist who helps women design careers they love that bring them joy and financial freedom. This morning I'm coming to you from the last time from our almost empty house. I think you can hear the echo in here. Next week we'll be in our temporary apartment before we get to move to our new house in Clallam Bay, but we've been working really hard to get everything out of our house this week, so it will be closing this week. I want to talk to you about your business this summer, the summer boost as they call it, and think about how things are going in your business. And I want to talk to you about three different ways that you can really boost your business. I have just been to an event called Collaborate, and the business owners come together. They kind of have, it's like that speed networking that you do that when you are trying to introduce yourselves, which you do, but it's kind of a way that people get together and they see if their businesses work together for each other. I have got to shut this window. To see if their businesses work together so that they can collaborate, so that your audiences are complementary to one another, or if it's one of those things where one audience fits but the other one doesn't, you can always use commission to help out. There's just many ways that you can collaborate. And we just hit 100 members in our group. So we have members in our group. I encourage you to get to know your members and see if there are ways that you can work together. Okay, the second thing is speaking. Speaking is a great way to get your message out. And it can be to different service groups or meetups or now even live. And if you go online and you just put in your niche plus organization or plus association, you can come up with all kinds of places that you could do speaking. So don't discount speaking, either live or online. And the third way is that we're all online, but how you're online makes a difference. So make sure that whatever platform that you use, pick the one where your people are hanging out, of course, but be consistent in your content and make sure that this content is really speaking to their needs and desires and their wants, and make your offers accordingly so that when they hear your offer, their ears perk up and they're like, oh yes, I need to talk to her, or I need that product, or I need that service. So there you've got three ways. You've got collaboration, you've got speaking, and of course making the most of your online presence. So I want to encourage you this week, go out there, boost that business for summer, and choose joy and take action. And I will see you next week from the temporary apartment. Have a great week.